Welcome! In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to disable the fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. If you've been finding it inconvenient to unlock WhatsApp using your fingerprint, don't worry. This process is quick and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. This section contains all the options related to your account's security and privacy. Scroll down until you see an option labeled App Lock. Tap on it to access the settings for locking and unlocking WhatsApp. In the App Lock section, you'll notice a toggle switch next to Unlock with Biometric. This is the feature that requires your fingerprint to unlock WhatsApp. Simply toggle this switch off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. From now on, you can access your chats without needing to scan your fingerprint. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tutorials and have a great day.